Imagine creating wooden decor so refined and desirable that buyers don't ask for discounts. They ask how soon you can make another one. What if your woodworking skills could tap directly into the fast-growing eco-luxury market, where sustainability meets premium pricing, and simple designs turn into high-margin products? Today we're revealing how natural wood, smart design choices, and modern aesthetics combine to create decor pieces that feel exclusive, timeless, and highly profitable. Welcome to Craft Catalog. In this video, we're exploring 40 eco-luxury wood decor ideas that blend sustainability, craftsmanship, and market demand. These are not just beautiful objects. They are sellable designs that customers proudly display, gift, and repurchase. Whether you're a small workshop owner, a DIY seller, or a woodworker looking to increase profit without increasing complexity, this guide will change how you think about wood design. Eco-luxury is not about expensive materials. It's about thoughtful design, natural finishes, and storytelling. Buyers today want pieces that feel authentic, responsibly made, and visually calm. Wood offers something few materials can: warmth, texture, permanence. When shaped with intention, even the simplest wood forms become premium decor. Let's begin with the foundation of high-profit wood design. Simplicity sells. Clean lines, balanced proportions, and natural finishes consistently outperform over-decorated pieces. A minimalist wood tray made from walnut or oak often sells for more than a complex carved item because it fits modern interiors and feels timeless. Floating shelves with invisible brackets are a perfect example. Made from reclaimed wood or solid hardwood, they require minimal material, simple construction, and command premium pricing because they appear custom-built. Buyers love functional decor that feels architectural. Wooden wall panels and slat features are another eco-luxury favorite. Thin wood strips arranged vertically or horizontally create texture and depth without clutter. These designs work in living rooms, offices, and bedrooms, making them highly marketable. Next are sculptural wooden objects. Think abstract bowls, curved candle holders, and organic shapes inspired by nature. These items don't need to be large to feel luxurious. Small sculptural pieces are easy to ship, fast to produce, and ideal for gift buyers. Live edge decor remains a strong seller. Side tables, trays, mirrors, and shelves that preserve the natural edge of the wood feel unique by default. No two pieces are identical, which increases perceived value and justifies higher prices. Mirrors framed with reclaimed wood are another high-profit idea. They blend function with warmth and fit nearly every home style. The wood frame becomes the selling point, not the mirror itself. Wooden lighting elements are especially powerful in the eco-luxury market. Pendant lights, table lamps, and wall sconces made with wood soften artificial light and create atmosphere. Even simple designs using dowels or bent wood can sell well when paired with warm bulbs. Now let's talk about small decor that sells in volume. Wooden trays, catch-all bowls, and organizers consistently perform well online and in boutiques. These pieces are practical, easy to photograph, and adaptable to many interiors. Bathroom and vanity accessories are another strong category. Soap trays, toothbrush holders, and towel hooks made from sealed hardwood feel spa-like and sustainable. Customers associate wood in bathrooms with calm and wellness. Plant decor is a massive opportunity. Wooden plant stands, wall-mounted planters, propagation stations, and plant shelves combine greenery with natural materials. These pieces photograph beautifully and perform well on social platforms. Kitchen decor also offers high profit potential. Wooden cutting boards with clean edges, serving trays, and spice racks are both functional and decorative. When presented as handcrafted and responsibly sourced, they command premium prices. Now let's move into statement decor. Wooden wall art using geometric patterns, layered panels, or contrasting wood tones stands out in modern homes. These pieces can be scaled easily and customized, increasing their value. Headboards made from wood slats or reclaimed boards are another eco-luxury favorite. They transform bedrooms without requiring full furniture builds and appeal to renters and homeowners alike. Room dividers made from wood slats or frames create privacy while maintaining openness. These designs feel architectural and premium, making them ideal for upscale interiors. Let's not forget storage decor. Wooden wall hooks, peg rails, and minimalist cabinets combine function and beauty. Buyers love pieces that organize while enhancing the space. Entryway decor is especially profitable. Wooden benches, key holders, and mail organizers address everyday problems while adding warmth to the home. Office decor is another growing market. Wooden monitor stands, desk organizers, laptop risers, and pen holders appeal to remote workers seeking calm, natural workspaces. Children's decor made from wood also performs well. Simple shelves, toy storage, and name plaques appeal to parents looking for durable and non-toxic options. Seasonal decor should not be overlooked. Wooden holiday ornaments, centerpieces, and tabletop decor sell well when designed with a neutral, reusable aesthetic rather than flashy colors. Now let's talk about what makes these designs high profit. Material choice matters, but finish matters more. Natural oils, waxes, and matte sealers enhance wood grain and feel premium to the touch. Avoid high-gloss finishes. Eco-luxury buyers prefer natural textures. Storytelling increases value. Buyers pay more when they understand where the wood came from, how it was made, and why it's sustainable. Even a short product description explaining reclaimed wood or responsible sourcing adds perceived worth. Consistency builds trust. A cohesive collection with similar finishes and design language feels professional and premium. This encourages repeat buyers and higher cart values. Photography is critical. Natural light, neutral backgrounds, and real home settings outperform studio shots. Eco-luxury decor sells on emotion, not just function. Pricing should reflect confidence. Underpricing signals low value. High-profit wood designs succeed when priced appropriately and presented as intentional, not cheap. Now imagine turning scrap wood into profit. Small offcuts can become candle holders, wall hooks, coasters, or art pieces. Waste becomes opportunity when design leads the process. Eco-luxury buyers appreciate minimal packaging. Recycled paper wraps, simple tags, and plastic-free shipping align with their values and enhance brand identity. Customization is another profit booster. Names, dimensions, and finishes allow you to charge more while using the same base design. Limited runs create urgency. Numbered pieces or small batches increase exclusivity and perceived value. If you're finding this valuable, take a moment to subscribe to Craft Catalog. We share practical, profitable woodworking ideas designed for real makers and real markets. Subscribing ensures you never miss strategies that help turn craftsmanship into income. To succeed in eco-luxury wood decor, focus on clarity, quality, and consistency. You don't need expensive tools or rare wood. You need thoughtful design, clean execution, and a clear understanding of what modern buyers want. Eco-luxury is not a trend. It's a shift. Customers are moving away from mass-produced decor toward meaningful pieces that last. Wood, when designed well, fits perfectly into this future. These 40 ideas are not rules. They are starting points. Mix them, adapt them, and refine them to fit your skills and market. Every successful wood product begins with one thoughtful design decision. By focusing on sustainable materials, clean forms, and purposeful function, you create decor that feels valuable before a price is ever mentioned. High-profit wood design is not about working harder. It's about designing smarter. Thanks for watching Craft Catalog. If this video inspired you, like it, share it, and leave a comment with the type of wood project you want to build next. Your support helps us continue sharing ideas that turn creativity into opportunity. Remember, eco-luxury is not about excess. It's about intention. And wood, used wisely, tells a story buyers are ready to invest in.